Hello, today I'm going to show you how to reset the service interval display information inside your Vauxhall Corsa Mk4. Let's have a sit. Sit down and switch to position 1 or 2 at your ignition. Now use the lever with the menu button until you scroll to the icon for the oil, and then press and hold the set and clear button until it flashes back to 100. Good job. Now reset this oil reset oil replacing interval immediately, as you can see. Easy going. Oh yes. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.